Hello and welcome to my course on performing continuous integration with AWS CodeBuild. First, a little bit about me. My name's Joshua Edwards. I'm the Vice President of Engineering at a blockchain and cryptocurrency focused business. I've previously been the head of DevOps and I have used CodeBuild on a day-to-day basis. This course is going to be focused on Amazon Web Services CodeBuild. CodeBuild is a super powerful automated build service from AWS that allows you to build artifacts in a number of ways. This course will cover what CodeBuild is, how to plan and create a build including local builds, the prerequisites required to make these possible, and finally how to monitor and debug builds. By the end of this course, you'll be well on your way to becoming a CodeBuild Pro. But before beginning this course, you should be familiar with EC2. It's not necessary to be well versed in this service as I'll walk you through using. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into further AWS DevOps services with courses on Code Pipeline and Code Deploy. I'll hope you join me on this journey to learn all about CodeBuild with my Performing Continuous Integration with AWS CodeBuild course at Pluralsight.